elementary school before gets to St. Anthony through the long winter months.
Days that Smatters crowd are going to be going to, Saturday students are going to be in school, and they're not going to get up from there to bad weather. So they're going to miss time in, so we think we can get it revisited, you know. And, but in the meantime, there's been so many people in our basketball board using portable.
Going on YouTube after.
We got a lot of concerns like this. My man is Cincinnati. We only got a couple of turnovers. Let's go ahead and
Huh? I'm making a video there now.
The Eastern School District says it will be addressing concerns raised by a school government on cutbacks within their school board. George Joyce represents the St. John's West End on the Board of Trustees. $7.5 million cost saving proposal to the Department of Education. Is this ever okay? Approved by the board? Town Mayor said Silver's offer is to put the country by storm place of the Town Mayors third senior competition and her first appearance